There, welcome to the channel. Are you ready to unlock the secret to building massive wealth in 2025? Whether you are looking to start a side hustle, invest in cutting edge trend, or create a digital empire, this video is packed with actionable tip and idea to help you crush your financial goal this year. From leveraging AI and blockchain to exploring untapped markets, the opportunities are endless. And guess what? You don't need a fortune to get a start, just the right mindset and a solid game plan. So grab a notebook and get comfy. And let's dive into the top way you can make massive money in 2025. Let's go. Making massive money in 2025 require understanding emerging trend, leveraging a skill and taking calculated risk. Here is a detailed breakdown for each way to make massive money in 2025. First is invest in technology trends. Technology is reshaping industries and early move in this field can generate significant returns. AI. Businesses are looking for AI solution to improve efficiency. You could develop AI tool like AI powered customer service, chatbot or marketing tools. Invest in AI companies. Build AI application using platforms like OpenAI or Google Cloud. Blockchain and Web 3. Blockchain and Web 3, it's not just about cryptocurrency. It is powering a smarter contract. Decentralized app and NFT opportunity include building decentralized app or services, creating or trading NFTs in area like art, music or gaming, investing in a startup working on Web3 technology. Cybersecurity. As businesses move online, protecting their data is crucial. Starting a cybersecurity service or consultancy, offering penetration testing or data recovery services, investing in cybersecurity a stock or ETF. How to get a start it? Learn basic through online platform like Coursera, Udemy, or Khan Academy. Network with others in tech through forums or LinkedIn group. Use tools like TensorFlow for AI development and Ethereum for blockchain project. And second is online businesses. The digital marketplace is massive and growing. Here are some options: e-commerce, drop shipping, sell trending product without keeping inventory. Suppliers ship directly to your customer. Use Shopify or WooCommerce to set up your store. Print on demand sale. Customize t-shirt, mugs or or phone cases using platform like Printful. Digital product. Create online courses. Example, how to cook, learn coding or fitness plan using Technable or Udemy. Sell templates. Present or guide for businesses. Example, Excel templates or Instagram design. Subscription services. Example include exclusive coaching group, fitness group, or paid newsletters. Use Subtract. How to get started? Research what people are buying using tools like Google Trends or AliExpress. Market your businesses through social media ads on TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. Invest in real estate. Real estate has proven to build wealth over time. Here is how. Short term retail. Buy a property in a high demand area and list it on Air Airbnb. Use rental air arbitrate, rent properties, furnishes them and sublease on Airbnb. House flipping. Buy undervalued property, renovate and resell for profile. Resell is estate crowdfunding. Invest in a real estate project with a small amount using platform like Fundrise or Realty Mogul. How to get started? Save for a down payment to find investor. Learn real estate basic through book like Rich Dad Poor Dad or platform like Bigger Pocket. Fourth is freelancing and remote work. Freelancing allow you to monetize a skill online. High demand skill in 2025 include coding, build website, app or software. Learn through platform like Code Academy or Free Code Map. Social media management help businesses grow their online presence. Offer service like content creation, ad management, or strategy development. Writing and editing. Write blog post, ebook, or technical documentation for businesses. How to get started? Create a profile on Fiverr, Upwork, or TopTal. Start with a small job, build review, and scale up to larger project. Fifth is invest in a stock market. Investing is a proven way to build wealth over time. Index fund. Diversify your investment by buying share of the entire market. Vanguard and SP 5000 ETF is a good option. Growth stock. Focus on companies in rapidly growing industries like tech, green energy, or healthcare. Dividend stock. Invest in companies that pay regular dividend for passive income. How to get started? Use app like Robinhood, Webwool, or TD Ameritrade to begin investing. Learn and basic of investing through YouTube channel like Graham Stephenson or The Plain Bagel. Sixth is content creation on social media. Content creation can earn from ads, sponsorship, or selling product. YouTube. Create video in popular niche like education, entertainment, or tech review. TikTok and Instagram. Focus on trending format like short video or reel. Niche example fitness, tip, fashion or cooking. Podcasting. Monetize through ad, sponsorship, or paid subscriber. How to get started? Use affordable tool like a smartphone, ring light, and free editing app like CapCut. Stay consistent and interact with your audience. Seventh is green businesses opportunity. Sustainability is a booming market. Options include eco-friendly product, sell biodegradable packaging, solar gadget, or reusable household item. Green energy solution. Invest in or develop solar panel, wind turbine, or energy efficient appliances. Recycling businesses. Collect and process recyclable material. How to get started? Source eco-friendly product on Alibaba or find supplier locally. Market your brand as environmentally conscious or to attract consumer. It is flip asset for profit. Flipping means buying low and selling high. Focus on this area. Real estate. Buy, renovate, and sell property. Website and domain. Purchase un, underperforming website. Improve them and resell. Use Flippa. 3, 3, 35 item. Find vintage or designed item at thrift store and sell them on eBay or Postmark. How to get started? Learn market trends for the item you plan to flip. Start a small to understand pricing and demanding. Build a SaaS business. Software as a service. SaaS means software as a service generated requiring income. Example include project management tool like Trello or subscription based fitness app. How to get started? Identify a company problem in a specific industry. Hire freelance developer on platform like TopTal or Upwork. Launch your product and market it in niche audience. 10th is franchises a business. Franchising allow you to partner with an established brand. For example, fast food chain. Open a franchise of McDonald's, Subway or Chick-fil-A. Gym. Buy a fitness franchise like Anytime Fitness. Cleaning service. Join a cleaning service franchise like Mary Maids. How to get started? Research franchise opportunity on site like Franchise Direct. Secure funding through personal saving, loan or investor. Final advices. First is research trend. Stay informed about new industry and opportunity. Invest wisely. Start a small and scale up as you see success. Build a network. Connect with like-minded entrepreneurs or mentor for guidance. Stay persistent. Success does not happen overnight. So stay focused and adapt as needed. That's it for today videos. I hope you found this tip on how to make money online helpful and easy to understand. Remember, consistency is key, and with the right strategy you can start earning from the comfort of your own home. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friend. Also, if you are new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification so you never miss out on more valuable tips like these. Or needed help getting started, drop them in the comment below and I will be happy to help out. Thank you watching. You will be see you in the next one. Stay motivated and keep hustling.